channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Imperial Petroleum, and today the stock is up 2.69%, trading at 56 cents. So Imperial Petroleum provides international seaborne transportation services to oil producers, refineries, and commodities traders. It carries refined petroleum products such as gasoline, diesel, fuel oil, and jet fuel, as well as edible oils and chemicals, and crude oils. As of March 29th, 2022, the company owned 4 medium-range refined petroleum product tankers and 1 Aframax crude oil tanker with a total capacity of 305,804 deadweight tons. The company was incorporated in 2021 and is based in Athens, Greece. So the latest PR we have from the company is that Imperial Petroleum Inc. has declared dividend on Series A preferred shares, and that was on the 16th of June 2022. And then before that, on the 14th of June, the company reported its first quarter 2022 financial and operating results. And the gist of it all is that business seems to be very good. And what they have right now as vessels is that they have a total of 8 vessels. And even though they are heavily weighted towards the petroleum sector, they still transport edible oils. So, oils that we could use for cooking. And the company is involved in that business. So the market just opened and we still have about 6 hours to the close of market. And you guys can already see at the bottom left of your screen that the volume today for Imperial Petroleum is quite brisk, with 8.5 million shares already traded, with the average volume would typically be about 49 million shares in a typical day. The market capitalization for the company is still at $96 million, and the 52-week range for Imperial Petroleum is from 38 cents all the way up to $9.70. The stock previously closed at 54 cents and opened today at 55 cents. So we think that there's going to be some momentum. If you look at the very top of your screen, you will see the major indexes on Wall Street are all in the green, and by a lot. Be cautious though, guys. I'm not saying that we are out of this horrible market, but it's slowly beginning to seem like we are starting to trade sideways. Take a look at this graph. You can see how from June 14th we dropped, and then around June 16th we started moving sideways. The time range is very short, but think about it. It's been a while since we actually saw a flattening of the graph of the stock valuation. If you look right here at the 6-month graph, you can see how this stock performed. Starting in December, it was slowly dropping like most other stocks. And then come February, you had the situation between Ukraine and Russia. And that increased the demand for alternate sources of crude oil and also refined petroleum products. So Imperial Petroleum stock shot all the way up to $7.50. And after around 7th of March, the stock started decreasing slowly in value until right now we are at 55 cents. So it's going to be a very interesting one to see how this stock plays out over the next week or two. But I would say from this time going forward, I would start looking not just at a single stock, but at the whole market, because different sectors are not going to recover at the same speed, just like they did not fall in value at the same rate. So once you start getting a sense that certain sectors are picking up, that is your signal to go all in. Over the past month or so, you guys might have noticed pharmaceuticals seem to have been doing very well compared to the rest of the market. So that cannot be used as a gauge to determine when to go all in. But horizontally, that might be the trigger that, hey, it's time to start going in, bit by bit, different sectors, and then you watch your stock portfolio like a hawk. Ensure that nothing is dropping drastically. But I think that even if there's still some downside, it's not going to be too much from this point moving forward. So that's my thoughts on Imperial Petroleum. And I hope that you guys put in your trade early. And don't forget, guys, we are slowly growing. So smash that subscribe button if you haven't done so. That way we can keep heading slowly but steadily towards our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections, which will occur in November of this year. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.